Important question of steel structure. Calculate the strength of 20 mm 5 bolt having a net tensile stress area of 245 mm square with a partial factor of safety 1.25, and they have given grade of bolt as 4.6. okay, so just write down whatever they have given. So phi is 20 mm diameter and net tensile stress area, so it is represented by ANB, that is 245 mm square. Partial factor of safety gamma MB they have given as 1.25, and grade of bolt is 4.6. okay, so remember 4.6, so grade of bolt is 4.6 means FUB will be 4 into 100, that is 400 Newton per mm square. okay, now we have to find out the strength. As we have to find out the strength, we will apply the formula of V is equal to ANB FUB upon under root 3 gamma MB. ANB they have given as 245, FUB from grade of bolt, that is 400 divided by root 3 multiply by gamma MB, we know that it is 1.25. okay, now here you have to be careful that you have to multiply by 10 raised to minus 3 so that your answer will be in kilonewton, otherwise it will be a huge value and it will be in Newton. So you have to check whether what they have asked, whether it is they have asked in Newton or in kilonewton. So if you calculate it, the answer will be 45.26 kilonewton. That is your strength of this bolt. So strength of the bolt, you have to remember this formula, you can directly calculate the strength of the bolt. okay, thank you very much.